Alright guys, panibagong video, panibagong araw na naman. Ngayong araw ay mag-attend tayo ng cook show ng Salad Master ni Richard Lacadin. Kaya samahan niyo ako, let's go! Alright guys, so dito na tayo sa may reception. Dito. Kaya tayo guys. Ito guys, ang cook show ng Salad Master guys. Ayan music maestro.
Healthier food.
Tignan mo, ang daming mga food.
With expensive utensils and stock on it.
Ikaw ba mag-cost? Hi, kumusta? Manny, Jun. Guys, ito si Manny. Siya yung
Sama po sa cook school.
cook show.
Sa cook school natin.
Ayan, ito si Manny siya guys. So, ang daming mga kuan guys, mga Salad Master. Lahat andito na. Ang daming ilang kuan ngayon. Ilang putahe ang maluluto ngayon. Marami.
1, 2, 3, 4. Mga 10 dishes.
10 dishes. Wow. So, 10 klase-klaseng mga pagkain guys ang lulutuin niya. Ito, ipapakita lang namin ha. Ito yung mga, sige. Ito guys, Yan. Ito yung kanyang 5 quarts na pinilutuan ng kanin. Ang dami guys, ipapakita ko na lang, hindi ko na lang maisa-isa. Ayan, Ayan. Wow, ang dami. Guys, ito. Dami. Kanya-kanya. Ito yung mga kaibigan ko dito sa Iloman. Di ba?
Hello.
Bumabata kami, hindi kami tumatanda. Lalong bumabata. Di ba? Ayan, ito si Maring Weng.
Si Ate Eva.
Ito si Ate Eva. Yan, di ba? Sa mga nanonood dyan sa may Nueva Ecija.
Hello po sa mga taga-Nueva Ecija. Sa mga taga-Bulacan.
Ayan, sa mga taga-Bulacan. Shout out.
Taga-Pangasinan dyan.
Taga-Pangasinan. Ayan.
Damaso, Garcia.
Allah, daw na. Yan na.
Dami na.
Ito
Ako
siya.
sa lahat ng kamag-anak ko po. Kumusta
yan.
kayong lahat dyan?
Kumusta kayong lahat dyan sa may Nueva Ecija?
Thank you. Thank you, bye. Bye.
Ito si Kwan guys. Ito si Richard.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Ibaba.
Ibaba. Ako mo di orayo. Timanaw. Shout out guys. Ito si Richard Lacadin taga saan sa Tarlac. Yan, shout out sa mga Lacadin family dyan sa may Tarlac. Alala. Lagi. Sila guys, ito ang mag-cook show ngayon. Di ba? Yan siya guys. Ito guys. Ito ang daming mga luluto. Ito yung kanya guys. Kanya food processor. Ito yung number 5. Number 4, number 3. Number 2, number 1. Wow, dami. Saan kayo sa London? Sa London kaya? London? Kingston. Okay.
Hindi na yata ito nag-ano?
Malayo ba yan sa Kilburn?
45 minutes away.
Ah.
By driving.
Ikaw rin, guys.
Thank you very much for sparing
Dito lang ako, ah.
and to be with us and participate in our cook school. So trying to do this cook school as regular as we can. Okay, before we start, I would like to introduce our special guests, our dealer from London, Manny and Mylene.
Hello everyone. First of all, I want to thank you for coming over here. I think some of you already the last yeah, so, and some of you already tested on our set, as we said. So the purpose of the food school is for everyone to see such a presentation and also who invested on
Later on, if we're going to start the cooking, you can come forward, please. Yeah. So we're going to show you how to cook rice using this one. So the electric skillet is like more on a hub as well. If you don't have, for example, emergency, you don't have at home, so you can use this. So now I'm starting. So I'm cooking rice here. So it's ongoing, 230 degrees with this one. And then we're going to cook the bake in just 8 minutes, pineapple upside down. With our amazing, we call this.
In your hub, you can use your cookware
Okay lang.
and cooking
Kakain lang tayo, hindi tayo magluluto, kakain lang tayo.
Ito guys, magluto sila.
boiling. Turn it off. That's it.
Magluto sila guys. Sa isang oras, 10 potahe.
There.
Ang iluluto niyang una. Anong unang luluto eh?
To make pineapple upside down.
Anong luluto niya una?
Minutes.
Pineapple upside down in
So this
8
one is
minutes.
our MP5. So I preheated it already. I just started 165. The ready mix already, but you can make your own.
Vanilla.
MP3 talaga hanapin mo ha?
Yung mura yan. The good thing here, we're not going to use butter or
No oil, no butter. It says in the in Betty Crocker. We're using the Betty Crocker. So it says here in the packaging to make this cake is you add vegetable oil, milk, water, and cream and eggs. But this time we're not going to add oil.
Look at that, easy peasy. Who wants one of this? Check it with money.
do you have that one, po? Who don't have that one?
No guys, just refer us to your friends. You're gonna have that processor. Can I refer my friends? Yes, of course.
But you can make your own. Vanilla.
There you go.
So this one.
Hindi siya naggamit ng tubig, hindi siya naggamit ng oil.
We have already
Vegetables lang ang ginamit.
I've done that, yeah, I've done it this morning.
Finished product. This one is you can just bake it for like 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
8 minutes in our rice cooker.
So, yeah. It's like this one. This is a limited edition. This is only this one. This one is not gold, sorry. The cover of this one, it's a new one as well. But the size is like this. It's same like this one, but the cover is different.
Pineapple cake pala yung ginagawa guys ha. Walang oil, walang water, vegetables lang ang linagay. At saka fruit. Okay, still working daw.
So we have but one evac, one condensed, and then 10 egg yolk with a little drop of vanilla. So you can use any vegetable. You can use courgette. Sometimes I want to put courgette as well. Courgette or butternut squash.
So 150 for
Yeah.
150 ang temperature guys. Sa 8 minutes guys, meron ka ng cake. Pineapple cake.
So you said it faster, it looks up at time all the time when you're
Yan na guys, oh, yung cake.
no, it's
Yeah,
syrup,
syrup. Yeah,
syrup. But you can make your own caramel. Sugar, just, but make it easy. Let's make life easy.
Chicken curry guys. Kailangan naka-preheat.
Or the mercury effect. It is ready for us to.
So who wants the food processor? So now we're going to grate the onion with the food processor. You have that in there, huh?
Of course.
20 minutes.
Ang pagluto ng curry, pinagsabay-sabay na niya. Bawang,
Okay, so this is how we
sibuyas,
saute in Salad Master. No
luya.
oil, no, not a single drop of oil.
walang oil, walang
Leave
tubig.
it for a few minutes to extract the aroma. The aroma.
Okay. Pakbet with the use of our 5-quart curry.
Pakbit naman guys.
Everything just like what I said.
Tignan nyo, magluto sila ng pakbit guys. Oh. Kamatis. Pagluluto niya ng chicken curry guys. Oh. Chicken curry guys. Oh.
Chicken curry I'm using at 200 degrees.
200 degrees. Chicken curry. Pagluto ng chicken curry, 200 degrees ang temperature.
Curry powder.
Curry powder.
You want it hot?
Spicy. Cayenne.
Turmeric.
Turmeric.
And a bit of smoked paprika.
Paprika. Paminta.
And hindi mo gasupunan na. And our vegetable bouillon.
Bulyon guys. Lagyan niya ng bulyon. Konti.
Yon!
Paminta.
Okay, so we've turned this off already, our rice.
Luto na yung rice.
Next, Mylene.
Okay, sa waterless nila.
Waterless sinigang na naman. Ito ang sinigang oh. Yan. Yan oh. Diretso. Kamatis ang nauna. Sibuyas ang nauna guys. Tapos kamatis. Tapos luya.
Hipon and macro.
Luya. Yan oh. Waterless na sinigang. Oh. Lagay niya na yung kwan. Ilagay na niya yung ano, sitaw. Tapos bulyon din. Sinigang mix. Yan oh.
So we're going to put this one later. We're going to turn it on 2 minutes before we turn it on.
Okay, next one.
Madali lang.
Hindi ko nakapreheat.
So this one is lemon juice.
May lemon juice siya. Yung waterless. Parang wala nang apoy ito.
Wala dito ako yung ano.
Ha? Kaya It's ano po, very low.
Ah, mayroon pala. Akala ko wala ng apoy. Yan, nilagay niya na lahat yung mga isda guys. Oh. Yan, hipon at saka makarel. Yan.
Okay, we'll cover it po. So later on, we're going to put this.
Tapos yan. So ilan na naluto nila? Oh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 na. Nag-click na kaya So, ilang temperature yan sa una?
200 na gisa, and then just gisa-gisa.
Yeah,
Then lower it to 125.
1 to 5.
Then time it for 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Alright.
So it's preheated already. There you go.
Ah. Yan pala yun.
Oh,
Grill pala yan.
nakasya.
Grill guys, walang asin.
Okay, so this one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook the egg first. A bit of using 1 tablespoon of oil. And
Fried
you
rice
can
guys,
even,
mag-fried
white
rice siya.
Ano? Fried rice lahat.
Yan. Gamitin sa fried rice. Yun yung fried rice niya guys. Oh. Itlog ang nauna. Oh. Egg. Yummy. Yan na yung chicken curry guys.
When we joined Salad Master, actually when we invested Salad Master in 2015, we never bought a single bottle of oil. Usually we're consuming 2 to 3 liters of corn oil per month. But when we had the Salad Master, so this one, we get.
Set niya ng 150 degrees for 5 minutes pagluto doon sa minced chicken. Ayan. Yan na yung pakbit guys. Oh.
For those who are owners already of Salad Master, it's not only the food processing that you get.
Yan na yung pakbit
We have
guys.
lots of different hosting gifts. Like one set is nice. Electric kettle. You have the electric kettle.
Yeah.
This one set of Salad Master utensils. You can have this just for sharing your friends. So, yeah. Latoya, refer to your friends. There's no cut. Even they don't invest, you still gonna have the gift.
Sinigang guys. Yan, sinigang. Without tubig. Walang tubig yan, walang tubig ha. Yan na rin yung kanyang chicken curry.
So can you imagine if you're cooking this one po, the taste, there's no water. So it's like pure, you know, from the seafood or the vegetables.
Okay, let's start with our cauliflower fried rice.
Yan yung cauliflower fried rice guys. Paminta. Lalagyan niya ng
It's okay. I can ask more.
onion, garlic, Inihaw na guys na chicken. Inihaw na makarel.
Hindi na hihinain eh. Siya na hihinain. Mabalik.
Pagpalit. Pagpalit.
Sinigang ano? Papalit tayo. Pakipalit mo. Lagay ko sinigang.
May na.
Ha?
Ito na yung chicken guys. 5 minutes. Linuluto lang yung chicken. Kainan na.
Okay, so we're going to turn it up, put it up to 100, 230 lang.
So kanina pagluto doon sa kwan sa chicken 150 for 5 minutes. Ngayon itinaas na ng 230 degrees.
May onion. One plate. So if you're cooking and then you notice that there's water coming out, just open the lid a little bit. So if for example you want, or you're frying, for example you want to fry fish without oil. If you want it crispy, crack the lid. If you want it, for example chicken, you're frying chicken, you want it tender, close it. So this one is finished, 230 degrees, so I'm gonna put the onion.
Sorry guys.
So I'm just going to let the water evaporate for a bit, and then I'm gonna put the rice.
Mixed vegetables for your cauliflower.
Okay. I think I use all.
Ay, patakin mo.
Siguro masyado mahina to. Sobrang hina na. Yeah.
Nothing for bread.
Maybe this one? Oh,
See, look at the
Yan.
water from our.
yan na yung kwan.
So that's the natural juice of the chicken.
Yan na
No need
yung
for water.
Sarap ka babalik sa dito. Yung dalawa.
yan na yung kwan guys.
Onion.
For the vegetables.
Ito. Walang tubig pagluto dito guys. Ang pakbet is here now.
Yeah. See, we did not put water, but look, water is coming out.
Yan, pakbet guys. Yan na yung pakbet guys. Yan na yung pakbet guys. Walang tubig na pakbet.
Chop on.
So later, we're going to put the okra and the chili 2 minutes before we turn it off.
Yan na yung kwan guys. Yan na yung pakbet.
Okay, I'll cover it.
Guys,
Sinigang, look at that. The
Yan-
water
yan-
is coming out now from the
yan na yung
vegetable.
yan na yung sinigang.
Oh, look at that.
Yan yung sinigang. Yan ang sinigang na walang tubig. Puro gulay lang guys, walang tubig. Spinach yan, ha? Kadami. Hinagay lahat guys.
Yes, that's it. And then cover it 2 minutes
Yeah.
and then that's it. You can turn it off.
Yan o, linagay lahat. Yan na naman yung yan pagluluto ng salad master.
Yeah, so this one, I can put now my rice.
Yan o. Kuhan yan guys.
That's it. We're done with the cauliflower fried rice. 40 minutes.
Na?
See, just we started 10 to 17.
It's like 35 minutes pa lang.
See, 35 minutes. Oh, we got a clock.
35 minutes and 10.
35 minutes and we've cooked how many dishes already?
Ah.
1, 2,
So-
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh. Sa 10 putahe guys, 35 minutes, di ba? Yan ang pagluluto ng salad master. Yan. So yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 nga. 10 putahe guys sa 35 minutes, di ba? Yan, chow pan. Lagyan niya ng oyster sauce. Chow pan yan guys. Tita Ros, na magkuha ka na ng salad master, i-deliver namin dyan. Sa 10 putahe in 35 minutes, luto na lahat. Kung birthday lang hinanap mo, sobra-sobra na to. Ayan guys. Oh. So yan. So 1, 2. So yan ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Banana Q, no oil. This one is good. Or even
7,
the MD5, the
8,
bad girl.
9, 10. Ayan. So 10 putahe sa 35 minutes. Pinaghalo-halo na lahat yan. Chow pan yan ha, chow pan. Ang pagluluto niyan ay inuna niya yung egg. Tapos naggisa siya ng sibuyas, bawang, luya at saka yung diced na chicken for 5 minutes. 150 degrees for 5 minutes. Tapos pag nagisa na niya yun, nag-click-click na, i-up niya na ng 230 degrees. Tapos ilagay niya na yung kanin. Yan. Yan na yung kwan guys.
Rather
Oh.
than putting it all together with the
Chicken curry guys.
it will just be oil.
Lagay niya na luto niya ng manok. Ilagay na naman niya yung
And I'm just using the cream in that.
i-boil niya na na patatas at saka lagyan niya na ng kwan, carrots at saka yung traffic light at saka gata at saka imikos na niya guys. Yan. Imikos na niya yan.
That's without water.
So walang tubig yan Tapos pag hukay na niya yan.
For every gift of the referrals, we only need 5 referrals and you can get one gift. So
Okay, I'll
if
refer
you
to my-
have 20, you have 5 4 gifts.
Before Anjo. It's couple.
Ito na yung kwan guys, so naluto na yung kwan. Yung pakbet guys. Ito na yung pakbet.
Okay, so pakbet is nearly finished. Or mainit pa siya? Oo, mainit. Sa pakbet, ay pakbet sa pansit. Okay, so this one.
Yun yung chow pan guys. Last na nilagay yung kanin. Yan.
So leche flan, I think it's ready.
Leche plan guys, ready na. Tingnan nyo yung leche plan guys.
Okay, so now pansit. Oh, I love that. Pansit.
Yahoo everyone. Yan na, luto na guys. Kainan na. Tapos last na lutuin ay pansit. Chow pan guys. Oh. Magluto na siya ng pansit doon.
Ay, bakit meron pa ito?
Mamaya, 2 minutes before
Take off.
take off. Yes, 2 minutes before take off.
Yan na yung chow pan guys. Pagluluto ng pansit guys, una ay sibuyas. Sibuyas. Sibuyas ang nauna.
Ito lang ang bubuksan ko ako. Ready? 1, 2...
Ang ganda na pagkakuha guys. Oh. Ito yung chicken curry. Ayan.
Achara is for number 1. Fruit salad for number 2.
Lagay na to?
So all we have is 5 referrals
Lagay na to?
and then you can have it.
Ilagay na itong kwan guys. Oh. Itong sa pakbet. Ayan oh. Oh, di ba? Pakbet yan.
Nagugutom na kami sa amoy.
Nakagugutom na guys. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, yung pagkat ng kuano, pagkat ng carrots. Yan. Yan. Yan ay pagluluto ng pansit guys ha. Linagyan niya ng kuan. Mainit na tubig na. Tapos, yan.
And then Richard and I are going to be doing the presentation. Then for every 5, you're going to have a gift.
Jan Gracia, shout out. Yan, paminta yata guys. Yung pagluluto ng pansit.
Cover it 4 minutes before, after 4 minutes that we finish, I'm gonna put all the vegetables.
4 minutes lang guys. Pagluluto niya doon sa noodles. Tapos last na yung kwan, yung vegetables.
Right now, help us, give us the referrals, and then we can make happen.
Luto na lahat guys.
I think sinigang is ready.
Yung pakbet, luto na. Pakbet na. Jan Gracia, shout out. Harang, maraming salamat sa paharang dyan. Shout out to Project 89. Yan, naluto na yata yung pansit guys. Yan, 3 minutes more ang pansit. Tapos ilagay na lahat ng mga gulay. Luto na. So yan, pansit yung malaki. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 nga guys. Ayan. So, lahat na vegetables nilagay na lahat. Pinagsama-sama na doon. Ayan. Tapos ang carrot sa ibabaw. Ayan. Tapos meron pa. Ayan. Binagay na lahat. Ayan. Pakbet. Pakbet yan. Pakbet.
Pwede na.
Patay, luto na yan. Pakbet niya. Ito na yung leche plan guys.
Alright, if you experience Latoya, if you experience that it's hard to yeah, just open from here. So it will release the pressure.
Yan na yung leche plan guys. Oh. Di ba? Galing.
And our curry,
Yan na yung chicken curry oh.
may
Yan,
sabaw na.
may sabaw na yung chicken curry guys oh. Sarap.
And our pakbet.
Ito yung pakbet naman. Oh, yan pakbet. Wow. Pakbet yan. Lutong-luto na. Kainan na guys.
Bistina kon.
Sinakon.
Mabisin na ko.
Ayun na po.
Mangantayon apo. Mabisin na kita tiyanan.
Di angot na,
Pinsin na kita karuba min ako.
Ito yung
angot na.
ito yung sinigang, di ba? Oh, sinigang. Ayan.
Waterless sinigang, pero tingnan nyo naman ang sabaw niya.
Oh, may sabaw naman yan siya. Hindi man, wala naman sabaw kanina yan.
Nilagyan.
Pero nagkasabaw.
Masubukan niya yan.
Yan, masubukan nga. Mabilis lang lutuin. Yan. Ayan. Oh, yan. Ayan na. Shout out. Kainan na son. Yan. Kainan na son.
April, this is definite na po. Kasi sa aming mga dealer, nagtaas na pagkakagal.
And then after,
Yan na yung pansit, guys.
200 to 230.
Tingnan nyo yung pansit guys.
Pag mainit na,
Luto na.
15 minutes sa isang side. And then, sa isang side, 3 to 5 minutes. Para hindi masyado.
Luto na yung pansit guys.
Pag isda, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Para crispy.
Bihon gasado yan.
Pwede rin kayo maglechon kawali. Walang mantika.
Sutanghon. Yes. Sutanghon gisado. Bihon. Yan. Luto na.
But you know, to be honest, you have the best product in the world. Kitchen, super,
Tanungin natin.
really high quality.
Nyat sagpaw na yung kuhan bihon. Walang gulay? Ay, walang karne? Ah, walang karne. Walang karne. Walang karne daw yung kuhan guys. Yung pansit, bihon.
Awan sagpaw na.
Yung kuno pansit, one.
Matabang ako mag
Lutuan na guys, kainan na. Ready for eating na, tapos na lahat guys. Ito yung pansit, walang karne. Ito yung pangalawa yung fried rice. Anong pangalan nga to?
Chowpan po.
Chowpan. Fried rice chowpan. Chicken chowpan. Okay. Tapos ito yung inihaw, guys. Yan, oh. Tapos ito yung linutong sinigang na without water. Ito naman yung pakbet pala to guys. Pakbet, oh. Tingnan nyo, luto na. Pakbet na makarel ang
Nakita niyo po, hindi tayo nagtubig. We did not put any water on this one.
Oh, dinaluto natin na po tayo.
Kanin?
Ay, napasin.
Oo nga, no?
Dinluto tayo dito.
Oo. Mabilis. Tapos ito yung
But ang sagpaw niya, isda nga.
isda lang ang pakbet guys.
Sagpaw na.
Sagpaw na isda. Tapos ito yung chicken curry. Ito yung leche plan. Lechina, plan pa.
Tapos ito yung pineapple upside down.
Ito yung pineapple. Na cake. Ito yung rice. Di ba?
We cook that in at the top of the skillet. That's
Oh?
our cooker.
Ganun lang?
Yeah.
Patong mo siya electric skill eh.
Ganun lang pagluto niyan.
So, nag-camping ka, sasalin mo na. Ready na po, kain na po tayo.
Luto na guys. Ayan, luto na. 10 putahe. 10 putahe, luto na guys lahat. Okay, kain na. Ito yung kanin. Ito yung chicken curry guys, naluto na. 10 putahe guys in 1 hour. Grabe. Luto na. In 1 hour guys, luto na lahat.
Yes.
Kainan na. Yan. Pinagluluto guys, ito yung leche plan. Ito yung pineapple cake. Ito yung pansit bihon. Sige po. Ito yung cauliflower fried rice. Ito naman yung chicken chowpan. Yan yung inihaw na makarel. Ito naman yung waterless sinigang. Waterless sinigang guys. Yan. Ito naman yung pakbet. Ito naman yung chicken curry. Rice. Masira na naman ang diet nito. Yan guys. Yan siya guys, di ba? Yan. Alright guys. Kainan na guys. Ganun din, parehas lang. Basta pa once na nagkulo na to. Oo.
Nakasave ka tayo
Electric, oo. Yan pala yung nakaputaw.
Basta kumulong na.
Pag kumulo na,
Basta
pala.
briskly boiling.
Magbabalik siya.
Pinutol lang sa ibabaw ng skeleton. Yan. Kainan na. Kakain din ako. Kakain ako. Oo, masarap yan ang gulay.
Nice. Perfect.
Yan po. Yan guys, si Ate Wing guys. So, kumakain na siya eh, ako hindi pa. Yan guys. Luto na siya guys, lahat. Cheryl. Si Cheryl yan. Yan. Ito oh. Ano, kumuha na guys. Yan. Ayan oh. Ito ang price niya ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang price niyan ay 4,571. Ang pre niya ay ito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raffle time. Raffle oh, raffle. Arnold! Wow! Panalo! Panalo si Arnold! Wow!
Give it to daddy.
Give it to daddy! Thank you! Yan, may raffle.
Next, Salad Master Meeton.
Yan. Yay! Eva! Panalo si Eva.
Next, Salad Idol, Soup Ladle.
Little.
Tita Nesta. Sasabihin ko pa lang sana.
Next,
Kanina.
and another one.
Nami.
And next,
Alright guys, hanggang dito na lang ang aking video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at sana nag-enjoy kayo. At hindi na ako nakapag outro doon kanina kasi busy na sa mga ayos ng mga gamit. Kaya hanggang dito na lang guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye!